Did you know that after the age of 30, your body starts producing less glutathione every single year? By the time you're 40, 50, or 60, you've lost a significant portion of the molecule that runs your entire immune system, your energy, your cellular repair. It's called glutathione. And most people have never heard of it. I am Chris. I've been in the health and wellness space for over 18 years. And the one thing that changed everything for me and for hundreds of thousands of people I've worked with is a product called Cellgevity. Cellgevity doesn't just give you glutathione. It uses patented ribosine technology backed by 20 NIH-funded studies to help your own body produce 64% more glutathione, especially if you're over 50. If your energy isn't what it used to be, if you're dealing with inflammation, slower recovery, or you just feel like something's off, this could be the conversation that changes your health. Link in bio. Let's talk.